present here. The Banariamman Institute of Technology welcomes you all for the BIT Achiever Award function and farewell to the final year students 2014.
Prayer is a combination of strong thought, belief and feeling, and it delivers pleasure to whomever does with purest heart. May we all rise for the prayer song and invoke the blessings of the Almighty.
Thank you. True hospitality is marked by an open response to the dignity of each and every person with a warm welcome. May we now request our respected principal, Dr. N. Rengarajan, a source of constant encouragement and motivation for the students to achieve more, to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning. The actions of a great man are an inspiration for others. Whatever he does becomes a standard also to follow. Bhagavad Gita. Such a source of inspiration, icon for hard work and success, creator of this BIT empire, beloved chairman Thiru S.V. Balasubramanian sir, we are proud to welcome you, sir. Respected trustee, who infused creativity not only in learning but in action too, Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS, sir, we are pleased to welcome you, sir. Respected Chief Executive, Head of the Department Mechanical, Dr. Shiv Kumar. Experience teaches lesson, yes. Experience of our chief guest conveys journey with goal accompanies prosperity always. Respected chief guest Thiru Sankaranarayanan, who started his career as customer support engineer with Eureka of Forbes, rose to the level of customer manager in Atco Products, served as a branch manager Faxtel, business development manager in Canon Xerox India, and Wipro Infotech, presently working as a chief operating officers in Harita Texer, a TVS group of company. BIT proudly welcome you, sir. People often are not dare to take a risk, but we have a personality, heads the team of risk management, who has a vast experience in banking sector at top level, responsible for thought leadership and competency building. Our guest of honor through A. N. Jayaraman, leading the BFS risk management practice at TCS. We extend a warm welcome, sir. Distinguished faculty members, beloved students, press and media friends, and parents, I once again welcome you all for this farewell for the outgoing students and Achievers Day celebrations. Dear outgoing students, farewell is memorable occasion not to say bye, but to recall our pleasant experience and reaffirm to emit back your service as we embark from the BIT to the society as a valuable alumni. BIT proudly acknowledges the valuable contribution of all the outgoing students. Every successful man has attributes for successful living. Lord Rama had 14 attributes and Lord Krishna has had 16 attributes. We, Banariam Institute of Technology, has 14 attributes to achieve for the student success, and our management constantly encourages and supports the students to widen their knowledge spectrum and tune their skills. As an outcome of such an encouragement and efforts of the students, our students made commendable achievements in this year. As a token of appreciation, all the achievers will be honored with awards, and we congratulate them to scale up their achievements in the years to come. Dear students, I would like to conclude the welcome address by quoting the Shakespeare what said, you may know what you are, but you don't know what you can be. So please think big, think differently, think fast, and think ahead, aim for the best. You will stay ahead like Banariam Institute of Technology. So before conquering the world, the king has to conquer himself first. So before you embark from BIT for leading a successful career, you have to experiment yourself and you have to equip yourself, and definitely the BIT will provide right opportunity. So what is required is a strong willpower and focus. So with this, I once again welcome you all for this farewell and the achieving these functions, and I thank the organizer for giving the opportunity. எல்லோரும் எல்லா வளமும் பெற்று நலமுடன் வாழ எனது வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you, sir. We now request some of our final year students to voice their opinion about their 4 years of stay in this campus.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Abdul Bashir from Final Year Mechanical. I would like to thank everyone for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to present my views before you. Stepping into BIT, my first year of college had a great impact in my life. Yeah, it was sure. But rather than citing it as an impact, I would like to mention it as a transformation that I acquired through this process. I grabbed every opportunity that this institution provided me and made through success. Whenever I go for events to other colleges for paper presentation, RC car racing and project work, the facilities in our college, like the basic amenities, water, food, hostel facilities, were far better when compared to other colleges. I thank the management for providing such a wonderful opportunity for me to study in this institution. The excellent lab facilities with well-equipped labs and the resource library was very good that we were able to make achievements when we go out of this institution. I would like to thank the management for adopting CLM, the creative learning methodology, which was helpful for my integral part of my career. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the management for focusing on extracurricular and co-curricular activities through 75 clubs of BIT, which were helpful in augmenting the knowledge and skills to the students. In order to succeed in life, our desire for success should always be greater than the fear for failure. This college taught me this, and I thank the management for this entire support through the final year, and I had an awesome life at BIT. Thank you.
My name is Rahul. I'm from the Information Technology Department. First off, I want to use this opportunity to thank and congratulate the management on the amazing infrastructure and faculty that they have succeeded in providing us. And also, I speak for all of my fellow pass-outs when I say that it's going to be very difficult to leave college. Banariam will be dearly missed, But one good thing about leaving college is that we will all get to call ourselves proud alumni of this institution. I want to wish all of you the very best. Thank you.
Everyone gathered here. My name is Ovia Margaret and I'm from the final year Biotechnology. I feel so honored to stand in front of everyone present here to give this speech. When I started in college, the very first day, this day seemed so far. Now it's here and I can't believe the time has passed so quickly. To begin with, the first thing that attracts anyone who enters this college is the excellent infrastructure, the scenic atmosphere and the perfect ambience that is suitable for learning. And I'm no exception to this attraction. And to begin with the coursework I had in computer science field during my schooling. But here I opted biotechnology, which was very different to me with the strange terms and everything. At this moment, I'd like to thank all the staff of my department who made me familiar to all the concepts which felt very strange to me when I entered biotechnology. According to Sir William Arthur, a mediocre teacher tells, a good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and a great teacher inspires. My great teachers have always been a great inspiration, and they've also encouraged me with their recommendations, which helped me receive the Corona Scholarship at the University of Michigan, USA. I would also fail in my duty if I don't mention the excellent facilities for sports, the club activities, and the balance between the co-curricular and the extracurricular activities, which helped me mold my interpersonal skills. Finally, I'd like to thank the management, my staff, and to everyone who touched my lives, and to all others whom I depend on. Without you, without each other, there would be no purpose of being here, no way to advance. முகங்கள் இங்கு அறிமுகம் இல்லை, முகவரிகள் இங்கு தேவையில்லை. சாதி மதம் இனம் கொண்ட நாங்கள் இங்கு சாதி மதம் இனமற்ற மாணவன் மட்டுமே. கல்வியை கடனாக தரவில்லை, தரமாக தந்தது எங்கள் பன்னாரியம்மன் கல்லூரி. ஒற்றுமை மட்டுமே எங்கள் பலம், வெற்றி மட்டுமே எங்கள் வெற்றி.
This is Mukesh from Final Computer Science. It's a wonderful gesture to be here. At first, and towards my heart and heartfully, I'd like to thank the Almighty who had provoked me to stay in BIT, and I'm very blessed to stand at this gesture. Followed by I thank my teachers, the correspondents, and every staff who acquired us, and they made every student into a whole thing. At the outfit, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to lend my toes and my feet towards my teachers. Without them, we won't be here. And thank you so much, my fellow friends, sisters, brothers. Thank you so much, and no words to say over here. And I hopefully dedicate this award only to my parents. They're not here, and hopefully, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you all. In everything we do, in order to succeed, we must believe in ourselves that we are highly motivated achievers. Here we have a living example who believes in himself and has dared to scale great heights. This is what our beloved chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian, believes in. We now request our beloved chairman to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning. The Leonard chief guest. Normally we use only chief guest. Now I can tell you with authority in me, the Leonard chief guest, because morning we had an interaction with both of them today, and we are really impressed by the way they look to the industry, the education and society. Therefore I thought, instead of calling a chief guest, I would like to call them, yes, learned personalities. Mr. Sankar Narayan from TVS Group, Mr.